Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. We are still tracking an overall bullish scenario as long as the $12 level holds, and we're currently observing if Solana can produce a pattern of turning around from this local downtrend into an uptrend. So far, Solana hasn't given us any strong signals that it's turning around and that it's starting to put in this third wave rally to $30-40 plus, but it can happen at any time because it is holding above $12 and came down deep enough in this current correction. At the moment, we're still looking primarily at a bullish scenario with a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside, which could be complete. Maybe we get one more low, and we're observing the micro structure here to understand how likely is it to get one more low. The white wave count here, highlighted as an ABC structure, suggests that as long as we only have 3 waves up and we do not really break above resistance, the thing is we did break above standard resistance already, we have to expect another low. Now the fact that we broke above that 1670 level makes another low a little less likely, but it's not a strong enough signal yet to indicate that price is turning around, because what we need to see is a 5-wave move to the upside, highlighted here in yellow. A wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside, a wave 3 to the upside, they could all be in. Yeah, and now the wave 4 might have been or might still be in the making. Let's zoom in a bit, maybe even as a triangle. Yeah, the wave 4 wouldn't surprise me to see an Elliott wave triangle here in a wave 4, and then one more push to the upside. I would give that decent chances, decent odds of putting in a 5th wave, just because Bitcoin is still expected to push a little higher, Ethereum as well, and I would argue that Solana has a good chance of following that. Also, it is, I don't want to say it shows a lot of strength, but it doesn't show a lot of weakness at the moment, so it's holding on a fairly high level, and one more high would be reasonably likely here in this particular structure in a wave 5 of wave 1. So yeah, one more high, reasonable, but I obviously cannot tell you we get it without having seen it. And if we have the first 5 waves, then we can count it as wave 1, highlighted here with a question mark. And we would then be looking at a wave 2 pullback in an ABC structure in a wave 2. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside. I can really only give you a support area and target area for wave 2 after I've seen the 5 waves to the upside. So this is really what it's about. I think we're forming here a small triangle. Just want to add those trend lines here. Maybe I'll take that wedge pattern off, because that doesn't seem to be respected any longer. But it seems like Solana is going here for a bit of a small triangle, which is heading into an apex. So a volatile move can be anticipated. And if this triangle breaks to the upside, it might be our 5th wave that we need to see. I'd rather have a little bit of a longer wave 4 to give us a healthy wave 4 that adds weight to a 5-wave structure if we get that 5th wave up, because it makes it clearer that, okay, we have a wave 1, we have a wave 2, we have a 3, and a 4, and a 5. Because if the wave 4 is too shallow, it could still be counted as an extension of the 3rd wave. But for now, this seems to be good. And I would think it has a good chance to produce those 5 up. But because I don't have the crystal ball, I can't tell you if we definitely get it. I would say the chances are quite high, but it depends on in which direction do we break out of the triangle. And if we make one more low, which is still likely from here because we only have a 3-wave structure, support will be at $12 and $10. And if we can get one more high, it will increase the chances that it will hold a higher low in any ABC pullback. That's ultimately what we want to see, what we need to see for a first signal that things are turning around. Okay, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.